Alright, real quick video for people to set up TellMeWhen's. Real simple cooldown tracker. Start off /TMW. Open. You'll get a window with these little icons on it open. Obviously I've got some set up already. Right click on the one that you want to set up. Icon type, spell cooldown. What to track? We're going to track carve. So you just type it in there and it will suggest everything that has the name, like it has carve in it. If you want to track anything else, I don't know, poison knives, I don't know what that is, but you can track anything. This list of suggestions may take a little while to load on the first time. Click on it, carve there. What we can do here is we can set up these two bars here, opacity and color. So ready and not ready. So ready means when it's off cooldown, and not ready means when it's not on cooldown. You can also check range check and power check. So range check will change the look of the icon if you are not in range, and power check will change the look of the icon if you don't have enough resource. So in this case, focus, or soul shards, insanity, etc. So I set all these to 50%. So basically what this does is if it's off cooldown and I'm in range and I have the power or the resource, then it will be displayed like a normal icon here. If I do not have the resources, or I'm not in range, or it's on cooldown, it will then go to 50% opacity, and it just clearly shows that it's on cooldown. Then on the timer sweep box here, just tick show timer and show timer text. What this will do is this will put the small animation of like the spinning, I don't know what you call it, like the almost clock-like animation of the cooldown, and also put a the CD timer on there as well. So that just looks like this. If you go back out, tell me when, so you can see it here, full focus. And now carve's a bad example because you don't have a range on it. But if I use it, you see that I get the spinning animation, I get the timer, and also it goes sort of see-through every time I use it. Now, if it's a big part of your rotation, there's one more thing that I'd suggest. So /TellMeWhen, right click the icon again, go to notifications here at the bottom, and then click animation, and then you want to do on finish. And what this will do is this will apply an animation to the icon when the cooldown finishes. So when the ability is usable again. And the one that I usually use, you can apply sounds, color changes, borders, but the one I usually use is activation border. This is the sort of standard proc border, and you can change the duration. So let's put it up to a second here, and just click OK. So now, when it comes back up off cooldown, it will now flash with the activation border for a second. So there we go. That's pretty much it. Super simple. With that you can basically track anything. The ability name that you type in as well is flexible. So for this one here, I've got a bunch of different ones in here because I'm playing around with it. But if I change this to Wildfire Bomb, basically at the moment I have a talent that changes Wildfire Bomb into 3 different types of bombs. So it's actually Shrapnel Bomb at the moment. But TellMeWhen's kind of clever. I just have to put Wildfire Bomb in there, and you see that the icon here is for Shrapnel Bomb when I throw it. Obviously the cooldown and everything comes up, but you can see slightly behind it that it is now changed to the Volatile Bomb, which is a different type of it. So if you have any icons that will change based on the spell, it should take care of that. And yeah, you can get all fancy with it.